back to Moto Matters, and it's finally time. Finally started the big winter project. We're going to tear down and rebuild my 2002 CR250. Now many of you kids, I think you call it a bike build. I'm old. We used to call it general maintenance. We used to do it every year. Take the bike apart, rebuild at least the top end, put it back together all clean and shiny. That's what we're going to do. Got the bike used from a guy I know. It's in pretty good shape. I trust him on his maintenance records. So the intention is not to put a new crank in it, but just to do the top end. But other than that, it's going to be a complete teardown and rebuild. So I hope you enjoy the video. Oversized rotor.
and clean, and clean, and clean.
Welcome back to Moto Matters. We're doing something fun and exciting today, something I've never done before. We're going to use AlumaBrite to bleach and clean some aluminum parts. We've got a little mixed up in a spray bottle. We're going to spray it on, rinse it off right away. I've been told if you leave it on too long, it'll turn the parts white. So that's kind of an experiment, trial and error. Do not use me as an example of how to do this. Watch another YouTube video to learn it, because I'm just learning myself.
Let's make it look good.
All right, let's compare. How do we do? That brighter, shinier? All right, so that's a little shinier, a little brighter. We're gonna go for a little better. And a little scrubbing here. See if that helps out at all.
Scrub harder.
Well, we've definitely achieved the whites they warned us of. Now let's compare. Part number 2, here we go. All right, let's spray her off, see what we got. Okay, the 60 seconds, the directions called for, turns out pretty nice. Has the not put brush marks in it. I'm gonna switch to just a scrub brush to get her all up on there. All right, let's rinse her off. Here's what we're looking like before. All the stains, and corrosion, and this dull looking finish. There we go. Not perfect, but a whole lot better.
More cleaning up to do.
Okay, we've got all the parts cleaned up and looking nice and shiny. So if you'll notice, we had to spray a lot of water on them and rinse them. So it's a perfect time to grease all these swing arm bearings. So we're going to get in there and see what kind of water damage we have. Hopefully, they've been greased recently, but you want to keep those greased often. If you want to see how to do it, we've already done a video on lubing the swing arm. So check down in the description. And here we're going to get to it. Okay, for the most part, everything still had grease in it and looked decent. A little nasty in some spots, but we got it all done. Sadly, the swing arm bearings are shot and are going to need replaced. But other than that, we're ready, so stay tuned for the next one.